Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps, and maximize the compensation plan for your Lularoe business. And that means that you have the right mindset, because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you a simple three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards in terms of recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have the success as you want, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. This tool allows you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase, and make sure you scatter your keywords throughout this title while it still makes sense. Create a description that's 300 words long in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly what somebody said, but you want to create your 3 to 5 minute content and go after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to find out who your target audience is and exactly where they are. And in this case, it's most likely going to be like-minded network marketers. Once you do this, you can reach out to them with a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? As you reach out to people like this, you'll start to build your audience, and you want to engage with those people on your profile. You can ask a question, you can fill in the blank, I love my blank, you can use quotes, pictures, and engaging blog posts. You want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. The Tony Robbins and Robert Kiyosaki fan pages, those are good places to start. You want to be consistent in these groups because people will get to know you from your comments and comment on the posts of others. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. That's the key. You don't want to be the person in those groups trying to close people and pitch people. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. So the 10% about your business, those could be results of others on your team or your own results. And the 90% personal, you want those to be pictures of you hanging out, you at the beach, you eating food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. A good curiosity post is also could lead to somebody reaching out to you for more information. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. Somebody may say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And reach out to you. And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.